Manalo, pass to Lera, Lera, Lera. Block and block by jersey number 40. Lera, pass to Melon, Melon, drive to 3. Good, dribble by. Pass break with jersey number 51. Loose ball, ball on team Germany. Here comes Manalo. Manalo carrying the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Manalo, 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 53. 54. Jersey number 21. Still for Calle. Calle. Pass to Lera. Lera. Bola bola. Fade away. No. It's pala. Garcia. Jersey number 0. Sino yung bola? Merino pala. Merino. Merino. Ganda ko masana. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 45. No good. 55. Manalo. Manalo. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pinagabata ang pen. Jersey number 3. Pass to Mylon. Mylon. Price for 3. No good. 55. Calle. Calle. TV down. Pinasa kay Mylon. No good again. 3-1. Jersey number 21. Pass to Merino. Jersey number 0. Merino. Merino pass to jersey number 45. Shot for 3. No good. Dribble to Melon. Melon pass to Lera. Lera shot. 2 points. Lera. Jersey number 21. Tinatawid ang bola. Jersey number 21. Pass to Merino. Jersey number 0. Ganda ng papasahan. Merino. Merino sa dalawang isip. Merino. Taking a play. Pass to jersey number 54. Shot. 2 points. Jersey number 54. Here comes Manalo. Manalo talaga ng bola. Ganda ng papasahan. Pass to Melon. Melon back to Manalo. Manalo 3. Bam! Manalo 3. Jersey number 14. Tatawid ang bola. Pass to Merino. Merino, jersey number 0. Shot for 3. Merino. No good. Tigil by Manalo again. Manalo yung full rebound. Pass to Mylon. Mylon. Pass to Manalo. Manalo fake. Manalo. Pass to Mylon. Mylon fake. Shot. No good. Jersey number 54. Pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Steal by Mylon. Mylon. Mylon on that side. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Shot for 3. Bam! Manalo 3. 2-4-2 by Manalo. Here comes jersey number 54. Jersey number 54. Pass to jersey number 21. Fake. Jersey number 51. Shot. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Mylon. Natalik ang bola. Mylon. Mylon. Kalmado rin ang bola. 15 on the shot clock. Mylon. Pass to Manalo. Manalo again. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Takuha ng play. Jersey number 3 making play. Pass to 3 seconds violation. Here comes Merino. Jersey number 0. Merino. Pass to jersey number 45. Taylor. Shot. No good. Merino. Rebound fake. Merino shot. 2 points. Jersey number 0. Merino. Manalo. Pass to Calle. Calle lang. Tinawid ang bola. Calle making a play. Pass to Melon. Back to Manalo. Shot for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Calle again. Calle. Pass to Manalo. Shot for no good pala. Jersey number 3. Silalim. Shot. Niluwa. Jersey number 5. Gets a rebound. Pass to Merino. Merino. Behind the back. Merino ganda mga pasahan. Pass to jersey number 21. Fake. Back to Merino. Merino. Nagkahanap ng screen. Merino. Merino on the drive. Push ball. Steal by Lera. Lera. Back to Calle. Calle on the attack. 2 points. Calle. Score 12-6. Jersey number 21, pass good. Jersey number 40, shot for 3. Bang! Jersey number 40, 3. Change by all players. Palet. Zone with only 9 players. 10 players. Manalo, pass to Gibson. Jersey number 21, Gibson. Gibson, pass to Manalo. Manalo making a play. Manalo, pass to the Balahag. Pinasa na yun, yung tinira. Balahag, the turnover. Jersey number 15, Beltran. Pass to jersey number 40, shot for 3. No good, di mag-fly. Zone on in 4. Yang Julas, kinawin ang wala. Yang Julas making a play, pass to Dupalag. Dupalag, bibinawagan. Dupalag, dalawa na pass to Manalo. Manalo, back to Dupalag, bibinawagan. Airball. Rebound by Jersey, number 40, pass play to Jersey. Number 15, Beltran. Easy lane, Beltran. Score, 11-12. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Germany. Dupalag, kinawin ang wala. Pass to Manalo. Manalo, suntot. Save ball, deep pass. Dupalag, missing the ball. Dupalag, shot. No good, single line. Jersey number 16, Alan Binale, no good. Single line. Jersey number 40. Jersey number 40, kinawin ang wala. Jersey number 40, pass to Beltran. Beltran. Value, no good. Beltran again, no good again. Beltran, pass to Jersey number 40. No good. Single line, Manalo. Manalo. Tinawin ang bola, Manalo. 3 minutes remaining on the first quarter. Yang Julas. Dalawang isip. Pass to Balag. Loose ball. Number 54. Pass away for number 27. Number 27. Easy lane. Score 13-12 in favor of Team South Green. Here comes Gibson. Gibson, binaba ang bola. Pinasakay. Dupalag, shot for 3. No good. Rebound by Jersey number 40, pagkakadali, binaba ang bola. Jersey number 40, back to Beltran. Beltran, back to Jersey number 40. Number 40, shot. Jersey number 15. First personal. And no count tonight. No count daw. Manalo. Dalawang isip. Manalo. Nag-anak pa sa back to Gibson. Gibson back to Dupalag. Shot for 3 Dupalag. No good. Manalo sa ilalim. Manalo. 52 points. Here comes number 47. Number 47. Castillo. Cross. Castillo. On the attack. No good. Good guy. Manalo again. Manalo sa nakita bola. Manalo. Manalo on the attack. Manalo. Pinoy step. No good. Rebound by Jersey. Number 15. Beltran. Beltran. Shot. No good. Rebound by. Deep pass. Sino ay makakakuha? Rebound by Manalo again. Manalo. Pass to Balag. Balag. Bumitaw. Balag. 2 points. Balag. 1 minute and 35 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 40. Back to Beltran. Beltran na naman ang bola. 17 on the shot clock. Shot for 3. No good. Rebound by Bumina. Bumina. Pass break ulit po ang Balag. Still on the clock. Beltran still. Beltran on the attack. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 21. Jackson. First personal foul. First team foul. Beltran making a play. Beltran, pass to Jersey number 45. Bumitaw. Pass pala. Castillo. white, jersey number 40, one-legged shot, 2 points. Jersey number 40. Yatula. Pass to Mubita. Mubita, tinamit ang bola. Pass to Bala. Last 50 seconds on the clock. Manalo shot for 3. Bam! Manalo 3. Score, 19-15. Here comes Beltran. Magkamadali, Beltran. Natin ang okay, Beltran. Gara makapasan. Last 35 seconds on the clock. Pass to jersey number 40, Mubita na 3. Go! Rebound by jersey number 40 again. Shot. Go good again. Rebound by Mubita. Mubita. Wala na kagisan. Pass to Yatula. 25 seconds on the clock. Pass to Balag. 20 seconds on the clock. Manalo shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 45. 15 seconds on the clock. Beltran. Beltran. Pass to jersey number 54. Block. Block by Mubita. There's a foul. Foul. Jersey number 54. 54. First personal foul. Second team foul. 10 seconds remaining on the clock. Balag. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 6, 5. Balag. 4, 3, 2, 1. No good. Last 1 second. Shot not counted. Score 19-15 on the end of the first quarter. Balagin, Yatula sa east. Beltran, pass to jersey number 40. Jersey number 40, pass to Beltran again. Beltran making a play. Pass to gitna, Merino. Merino. Merino shot. No good, air ball. Zotoning ball. Yatula, pass to Myron. Myron. Binaba ang Mumado. Maylon, nagkana lang mababasan. Maylon, pass to Balag. Balag, big. Balag, cross, steal. Jersey number 21. Ay, steal again, Maylon. May dalawang steal. Bigyan si Balag. Balag, bumigaw ng 3. Balag. No good. Sigod by Bunyon. Bunyon sa ilalim. Pass to Balag. Balag, shot. No good again. Rebound by Calle. Calle, shot. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 15, Beltran. Beltran on the floor. Beltran shot. No good. Beltran again. Using the board. 2 points. Beltran. Here comes Calle. Back to Maylon. Maylon. 19-17 on the score. Maylon. Cross. Maylon. Pass to Balag. Balag. Taking a shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 40. Jersey number 40. Binaba ang bola. Jersey number 40. Binaba ang bola. Kaya mabakasan. Binaba ang kape. Pass to Beltran. Beltran back to number 40. Shot for 3. Score 20-19. Balag. This is the ball. Loose ball. Steal by Beltran. Beltran na ginagamadali. Beltran. Pinasa ng jersey number 21. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Ready for the out. Time out. Zomali. Calve. Ginawin ang bola. Calve. Pass to Bunyon. Bunyon. Baby. Bunyon, gana makapasan. Bunyon, pass to Bali sa gitna. Maylon, shot for 3. Maylon. Maylon. Merino. Tinamit ang bola. Merino. 7 minutes. On the clock. Merino. Merino sinagal. Lead the ball. 2 points for Merino. Bunyon. Tinamit ang bola. Gagawa ng play. Bunyon. Gana makapasan. Pass to Balag. Balag. Big. Balag. Bumitaw. Merino. Inulag. Jersey number 40. Jersey number 40. Bola. Magkamadali. Jersey number 40. Pass to Beltran. Back to jersey number 40. Shot. Jersey number 30. Score 27-22 in favor of Team South Plain. Balag, using the ball. Nagana lang makapasan sa Balag. Bumitaw ng 3. No good. Rebound by Maylon. Maylon sa kanan. Kakawan. Maylon sa kante. No good. Rebound by jersey number 0. Merino. Merino dalawa ng bola. Merino sinagaan. Pass to Beltran. Beltran. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Maylon. Maylon. Pass to Bunyon. Bunyon. Behind the back. Pass to Balag. Balag. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Bunyon again. Second personal foul, first team foul. Malon, paso, Cayo, punta na 3. Tuwiton, Cayo. Jersey number 21, pinapaka ng bola. Jersey number 21, Gamla mapapasan, sa jersey number 40, pass to Beltran. Merino, making a play. Merino sinagad, pass sa ilalim, jersey number 91, 2 points, jersey number 21, score, 49-25. Maylon, binaba cross, ginawin, Maylon, inatake sa gitna, Maylon, Libang by jersey number 21, jersey number 21, pass to Beltran, Beltran ang datas, Calle, tinawag ng bola. Calle sinagad, pass forward, tulak sa ilalim, foul! Foul, jersey number 0. First personal foul, second team foul. Score, 29-25. 2 shots, kaya bola. First basket. Basket nga. Second shot, basket nga. 2 of 2, bayar tulas. Untuk Merino. Ini lang naman nila. Steal, ito tetap Calle. Calle na buang bola, pass mo kinabalaan. Traveling violation. Investment lane. At traveling pa. Ayan, kami. Beltran sa Beltran. Beltran talaga ng bola. Beltran sinagad, pass to Merino. Merino shot, using the board. 2 points by Merino. Maylon. Maylon tinawag ng bola. Maylon, naging ito. Tumila na natin bigla. 3 points. Maylon. Jersey number 21. Tinawag ng bola. Score, 30-31. Jersey number 21. Kaya na mapapasahan, pass to Beltran. Beltran cross, Beltran pass to kita, Merino. Pass sa ilalim, no. Rebound number 1. Rebound, pass to Beltran, gawin si Leon. Rebound tayo, binalik again, Yun na meron, Rebound si number 21. Jersey number 21, binaba ang bola. Jersey number 21, sinagad. Pati sa dalawa, pinasa, number 5, sa ilalim. 2 balls, Jersey number 25. Sub. Change 5. All players in, out, inside, out. Manalo siya for 3. No goal. Kasi number 40. Check the rebound for number 9. Kasi number 40. Pinantay ang kape. Pass to Jersey number 54. Shot. Gusto ko ba? No goal. Same ball. Papa. Here comes Jersey number 40. No goal. Jersey number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. 1 shot. Given by Merino. No good. Rebound by Calle. Pass to Maylon. Maylon on the drive. Maylon lane. 2 points. Maylon. Tingnan mo Beltran. Beltran nabawi. Beltran na nababawa. Kaya nang mapapasahan Beltran. Beltran gagawin play. Pingin play. Beltran. Pass to Merino sa ilalim. Merino. Pass to number 54. Joseph. Pinapagod again. And the one again. Paul. Jersey number First personal foul, second team foul with an F1 by Beltran. First shot. Rebound to Galle. Galle pass to third turnover. 47 pass to Beltran. Beltran again. Beltran on the move. Beltran cross. Sinagat Beltran. 2 points to Beltran. Score 39-32. Terus Mylon. Sinagat. Mylon lay. No good. Mylon again. Mylon. By number 54. Pass to Beltran. Beltran. Gamit ulit. Beltran. Pinasakay. Number 47. Pass to jersey number 40. Step up for 3. Shot. Bam. 3 points. Pick up shot here. Pass to Mylon. Mylon. Kalmado. Mylon. Langsung kita meminta steamboat. 2 points. Langsung kita. Merino. Receive the ball. Tak tahu keadaan apa. Merino pinabang bola. Merino making a play. Merino pass to jersey number 54. Number 54 pass to Beltran. Beltran kita pass to jersey number 50. Shot from through again. Bang! Back to you. Jersey number 50. Rielo. Mylon. Tinawid ang bola. Mylon. Nagkalat ang paksan. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Making a play. Pass to Galle. Galle. Shot from 3 by Galle. Bang! Rebound. Galle. Terus Beltran. Pinabang bola. 2 minutes remaining in the clock. Beltran. Mematahkan sebentar. Gets a foul. Sampai. Foul. Jersey number 27. No stop. No stop. Second quarter. Kalau 2 shots by Beltran. First, no good. Second shot. Basket by Beltran. 1 or 2. Pero Galle ang bola. Galle maghanap ng mga usakas. Mylon dito na 3. No good. Lera back to Mylon. Mylon sa gitna. Matagay. Pass to Manalo. Shot from 3. No good. Rebound ball. Jersey. Hindi. Yang pinakasal. Galle send up. Galle. No good. Everyone done 27. Pass to Senior. 27. Two shots for Castillo, jersey number 57. Basket, first shot, second shot. Second shot, basket. Galle. Mylon nagalaman ng papasahan sa iyong basket. Bumida, take a shot. No good. Manalo. Foul. Jersey number 40. Jersey number 40. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots by Manalo. First shot, Manalo miss. Second shot. Manalo second shot. Manalo, pass to Mylon. Mylon, binabang bola. Mylon, Chopper. Mylon ang tawag ng bola. Mylon, diretso, Mylon. to Merino. Last 55 seconds on the clock. Merino. Wala na naman kapasada. Last na tayo. Just number 54. Castro, just with number. Number 44. Just number 47. Just number 40. Nilabas mo pala. Just number 40. Castro. Just number 27. Just with Scott. Roger. Ruto. Just number 47. Just number 40 seconds. Just number 40. Ngayon. Ngayon naman si Ate. Kanamit ang bola. 30 seconds on the clock. Ngayon. Foul jersey number 0. Second personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Malon, 25 seconds on the clock. Malon, bumiskate, nasa sa punta, Lera, 2 point, Lera. 15 seconds on the clock. Dalgan, receive the ball. 13 seconds, crowd. Here's Dalgan. Dalgan, bumiskate, Dalgan, still. 3 seconds on the clock. This is the last shot. Merino, making a play, back to jersey number 43, shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 45, jersey number 45, back to jersey number 54, number 54 seconds na inatake. No good, rebound na Manalo. Manalo na Maylon, Maylon na mamadali, Maylon with the rule step, 2 points, Maylon. Merino, binabawa ka na kalmado, Merino gagawa ng play, Merino. Pinasa, good, rebound by jersey number 21, pass to jersey number 20, shot from 3, no good, rebound by jersey number 0 again, Merino, good, good, friend, number 0 again, no good, number 0 again, no good, rebound by Manalo, Manalo pass break through, still, jersey number 40, bad pass, jersey number 40, pass through, jersey number 54, jersey number 54, pull up, no good again, rebound by jersey number 45, foul, jersey foul, jersey number 13, jersey number 13, first personal foul, first team foul. Two shots individual, jersey number 45, first, basket, second shot by jersey number 25. Ulit. Bigyan sa Manalo. Pass na yung Bulas. Yung Bulas. Pass na Maylon. Maylon. Tinamit ang bola. Pass ko balag. Balag. Big. Balag. Tuming down. Missing the ring. 2 points. Balag. Merino. Pass to. Just number 20. Back to Merino. 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 Merino na shot up. Merino. Pass to number 40. Shot for 3. Rebound. Manalo, pass to Maylon. Maylon, pinabang ko lang ang bago. 20 on the shot clock. Maylon, pass to Manalo. Manalo, pass to Balag, 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 Balag. Yung bulas, yung bulas, yung bulas, yung bulas. Hey, yung bulas. 2 points, yung bulas. Jersey number 2, pass to Merino. Merino. Merino ginamit ang bola, naghanap ang bako sa Merino. Merino siya nag-asip na Merino. Merino, 2 points. Mayon, pass to Manalo. Manalo, big, Mayon, pass. Mayon! No good, pull up, no good. Good position number 51. Jersey number 51. Pass to jersey number 40. Dia bawa apa? Kemudian kita bola atas. No good, jersey number 5. Jersey number 40. Shot, 2 points. Jersey number 51. Tengok Manalo. Manalo pinabang bola. Pass to Balad. 18 seconds of the shot clock. Balad with the ball, pull up. 2 points to Balad. Here comes jersey number 51. Number 21, pass to jersey number 54. Number 54, pass to Balad. Steal by Gulas. Gulas, pass to Mayon. Mayon, easy lane. 2 points, Mayon. Score 64-51. In favor of Team South Lane. Merino, receive the ball. Merino with the back bola. Merino to the west. 15 on the shot clock. Merino still on the Gagne. Gagne pass to the Balad. Balad loose ball. South Lane ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 29 seconds. Here comes jersey number 45. Kanami the bola. Jersey number 45. Jersey number 45. No good. One shot. 2 points. Jersey number 51. Here comes Gagne. Pass to Gulas. Shoot the ball. Yep, Gulas. Pass to Mayon. Mayon, 6 minutes in the clock. Mayon. Pass to Balad. Balad. Back to Manalo. Manalo 3. No good. Jersey number 54. Pass to Merino. Merino nagkamot ulit ng labang bola. Sino ba si Steve? Merino. Pass to jersey number 40. Shot for 3. No good. Puno pa Mayon. Mayon. Pass to Turner. Yeah. Time out. Zone ready. Beltran making a play, Regalado Papasan, Castillo, Castillo steps up, 3 points out, no good, right on time, Balad mamadali sa nabang bola, 2 points to 3, Balad, pump, shot, is the board, 2 points to Balad. Beltran, nabang bola, Beltran nagkababa, Beltran mamadali, pass sa kita, no good, 2 points, sa kanya pa rin, there's a foul. Ball number 29. First personal foul, second team foul for jersey number 29. Warning for second out. Iwan po tayo. First shot, basket for jersey number 45. Second shot, last shot for jersey number 45. Basket. Score, 86-88. 68-22. My lord, ilang na bola, pass na bola. Kepala natin yung play. Kebalaan yang beritahu, mobil, beritahu, Manalo pindahin, dibelah, 2 points, 47, dengan bola, Tasrik, jersey number 9, Beltran, bola, yeah, kita pegannya. Here comes number 45. Jersey number 45. Castro. Jersey number 47. Castro Beltran. Beltran. Ganda lang mag-isip. Beltran. Pumasok sa gitna. Castro jersey number 47. Castillo. Back to jersey number 54. Inasya. Turnover. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Ngayon, pas mo nila. Score 73-57 in favor of South Lane. Julian Andres. No blue. Legal five. Foul jersey number 15. Third personal foul. First team foul. Balag pump shot. 2 points to Balag. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Beltran receiving the ball. Beltran pointing on the shot clock. Beltran away. Beltran got one play. Beltran making a play. Beltran foul. Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul. Third team foul. Beltran receiving the ball, big shot. 2 points for Beltran. Hinggang yang punya pass ke Maylon. Maylon menebang bola. 1 versus 2, 4 versus 3. Maylon putting down. Very good. People drive. This is number 7. This is number 7. Right number 900. This is 45. Easy 2 points. Rest. Kepala making play cross. Kepala menggesar yang sepanjang dulu. Kepala get him foul. Time out. Time out. Germany. Jersey number 15. 4 personal foul. Kepala Pusha. Kepala first. Basket. Dybala for the second and last shot. No good, legal ball. Loose ball, same ball. Honduras. Back to Maylon. Maylon yang akan pasangan kasih kita menyerang play. Menyerang get him foul. Ball jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, third personal foul, second team foul. Ready for service, 2 shots. Basket. Ready for service. Second shot. No good. Bukan jersey number 50. Pinakantang kampe, Pastor Beltran. Beltran, Lingis. Pasang kita jersey number 45 kita. Sinabi, untuk berbaris ke belakang. 2 points, jersey number 47. Kali tolong tinabang bola. Time remaining 50 seconds. Kali pasang sebelum Dybala tumitay. Medyo kita jersey number 45. Beltran pasang ke Merino. Merino by Merino. Score 81-61. 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining in the clock. Maylon, tinawin ng bola. Maylon, pass through. Munyon. Dimitar ng Andres, Pion. Medyo, 45. Kanya nilalan. Kanya, habang ang bola. Kanya, pinasa nilalan ang bola siya. Medyo, Munyon again. Munyon na tayo sa gitna. Munyon. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Fourth personal foul. Kepala. Castillo, Tanto, number 5, no good, number 5, Maylon Lanza, Maylon Generation Pass, Kabalan, Kabalan, 2 points, Kabalan, score, 65-21, 24 seconds remaining in shot, Merino, Tanto, Letran, after Merino, Merino, shot, no good, Maylon, 10 seconds in the shot clock. Maylon, back through. Kubalan, no good. Blue 5 seconds in the shoot. Beltran, 2 seconds. Beltran, without. And of the third quarter. 165 in favor of Team Southland. Last quarter of the game. Here comes Maylon. Pass to Manalo. Manalo back to Maylon. Maylon making a play. Maylon. Pass to Manalo. Manalo ng red. No good. Dito 5. Manalo. Pass to kabila. Manalo. Manalo again. Shot. 2 points. Manalo. After 3 times. Jersey number 47, tatabi ko bola. Jersey number 47, making a play. Pass to Merino. Dadala mo si Merino cross. Merino sa gitna, shot, block. Save ball. Here comes number 47. Number 47. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 47. Manalo. Pass to Bala. Number 5 to Bala. 2 points to Bala. 9 minutes remaining on the clock. Merino. Inubos ang oras. Merino. Kalman mo ba? Score 69-81. Here comes Merino. Merino steering the play. Merino. 10 seconds to shoot. Merino on the move. Get a foul. Ball, jersey number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Merino. First. No good. Second shot. No good again, number 5. Kanye, Bumida, pass to Manalo, pick, Bumida on the list. No good, number 7. Position number 7, pass to position number 1. Position number 1, only one who scores. Position number 1, pass to position number 4. Pass to position number 2, shot for 2. And we won, score 84-49. My lord, pass to Bala. Kepala Jersey number 47, pass to Jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, back to Jersey number 47, back to Liolo, again to Liolo. And Liolo back to the food. Rest. Maylon dalam itu bola. Pass to Bala, quick, Bala. Oh, no good, Dubida, 2 points, Bula. Score 87-71. 7 minutes and 35 seconds on the clock. Number 40, Riolo, pass jersey number. Pass to Gita, jersey number 54. Shot. Foul. Foul, jersey number 16 again. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for jersey number 54. First shot gets a basket. Second shot. So good. Number 5. Jersey number 40. Riolo step up. One-legged shot. So good. Number 5. Sumalam. Ang tumor. 3 versus 2. Sumalam. 2 points. Sumalam. Bravo. 7. Back through. Jersey number 54. Jersey number 54. 2 points. Jersey number 44. Ubita. Pass to Valle. Valle. Pass to Manalo. Bumitaw ng 3. Go. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 54. Number 54. Pass to 47. 47. Pass to Merino. Nantayang Ampe. Merino. Then shoot. Merino. 8 shoot. Riolo. Shot for 3. Bang! Riolo. Rebound again. Then rebound. Sumalam po ng score for them. Sumalam in attack. 2 points. Sumalam. Score. 93-75. Stop playing. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Take up number 54. Pass to Merino. Nanakot number 21. Ang shot. No goal back. Manalo. Pass to Balag. Balag na makadali. Balag. Go good. Ito Calle. Pass to Bugita. No goal again. Number 5. Jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Pass break to Merino on the attack. Lose the no goal. Minus Tito. Lose the again. Bugita. Ready for something. Pass to Calle. Muna bago lang niya. 2 points. Calle. Score. 78-92. Time out there. 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Here comes Merino. Bila ang bola. Merino on the drive. Merino gets a foul. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots given by Merino. First. Basket. Second shot. Basket the net. Score 95-78. Time minute 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Here's Melon sa gitna. Pass to Bugita. Shot. 2 points. Bugita. He's playing. Merino. Pass to Manalo on the attack. Pass to Melon. Jersey number 24. 47. Pass to number 40. Jersey number 40. Kembali bilang bola niya yang Ampe. Pass to jersey number 47. 47. Pass to Beltran. Pass to Merino nagasay. Merino. Melon. Pass to Balag. Balag lagi. Balag 2 points. Score. 82-95. Merino. Beltran. Gets a goal. Beltran. Pass to jersey number 45. And one play. Jersey number 5. Ball. Number 16. Number 16. Third personal foul. 4th team foul. Ready for something? Sub po. Go. 2 shots given by jersey number 45. First. Last shot. Hands up back. First shot. Jersey number 45. No good. Back to Beltran. 4 minutes remaining to the gap. Beltran and back to the gap. Beltran jump shot. No good. Beltran, gitna, Nylon, magdata. Nylon ang mabali. Basta Manalo, shot for 3. Bang! Manalo, 3! Score, 1-1, 9-1. Here you go. No receiving. Receiving, kasi ang Riolo pinabang bola. Sampang kalamangan ng lalat. Beltran, shoot the ball. Beltran, jump shot. No good, 3-5. There's a number 45 sa ilalim. Number 45. Pass to Beltran. Buwan ang paraan. Pass to. There's a number 54. Number 54. Pass to. There's a number 47. Shot for 3. No good, 3-5. Good. Tingin ba dyan sa number 54. Shot. Block again by Kanye. Same ball. With a good block by Kanye. 450 shoot. There's number 54. Pass to number 47. Of using the board. Third board. Number 5. Tupika. Pass to. Balag. Balag ang number 5. Balag. No good. Number 5. Kanye. Kanye got the 2 point. Score. 1-1-3. Against the half of the team. There's number 25. There's number 25. Easy. No good. Number 5. Melon. Oops. Just number 40, Riolo. Pass to Beltran. Shot clock 19. Beltran. Shot clock 10. Up. Foul. Foul into Balag. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na punta. Two shots. Beltran. No good. Second shot. Basket. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining on the clock. Manalo. Pass to Manalo. Game day foul. Foul. Jersey number. There's number 37. First personal foul, first team foul. Manalo, no good. Second shot, Manalo. Second shot. Basket. 2 minutes to go. Tingin ulit sa bola. Merino, nabang bola. Merino, making a play. Merino, last, no with it. Number 27, pass to Merino again. Not counted. Foul. Jersey, number 13. Number 13. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots by Merino. Second shot. Back to the left. Score 94-104. Team South Play. Terus berjalan. Manalo. Same ball. Merino. 1 minute 26 remaining in the clock. Foul. jersey number 13. Third personal foul, penalty. 2 shots by Merino again.
Wala pa sila parang yun.
Basket. Second shot. Here comes Maylon. Maylon nagpapula. Alam ka na, pass pa lang. Kumita na lang. Pangalan tres. Good. Sino na kumita sila? Kumita. Kumita. Pampalin. Sino Maylon? Pass break to Beltran. Beltran receives the ball. Beltran leads the lane. Score 106-94. 58 frames remaining on the clock. Second to Balan. Tubalan sa gitna. Reverse. 2 points to Balan. 93 remaining. Foul. Maylon. Third personal foul. Penalty. 51 seconds remaining on the clock. 2 shots given by jersey number 47. Next game will be ready. Adamlab versus Warehouse. Last shot, jersey number 47. Basket. Kanye. Steal. Last shot by jersey number 57 again. 47 remaining on the basket. 2 of 2. Here comes Maylon. Maylon is on the ball. To the back, to the way. Maylon, pass to the belang. Kumita ng tres. Kumita. Shot. 2 points from Kumita. 27 remaining on the shot clock. Beltran has the ball. Beltran has the ball. Foul. Foul, jersey number 16. Third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining on the clock. Score 111-90 in favor of Team Southland. Foul, jersey number 18. Second personal foul, penalty.
I-message mo sa akin bukas na.
2 shots given by jersey number 47 again. Jersey number 47, 2 shots. Wala pa. Diba? Sana. Second. Jersey number 47.